Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn off all notification in Threads app. Why would you want to know how to turn off all notification in Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to turn off all notification in Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to turn off all notification in Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning off all notification in Threads app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will turn off all notification in Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Threads home screen. And then first click on profile icon in the right bottom corner, and then click on two lines in the right top corner. Now in this screen, click on notification. In this new window, click on toggle button to pause all notification on Threads. But you can pause notification for maximum 8 hours. And now click on Threads and replies, and then scroll down this page and click on additional option in system settings. And now you can disable all notification from here. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn off all notification in Threads app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.